Please introduce yourself.
Namaskar, Aruna Mohanty, Odissi dancer.
May I know what is this project about?
The project is Make in Odisha, which is conceptualized by Government of Odisha on behalf of Industry Department. They are having a Make in Odisha celebration conclave. Last time it happened 2 years back. This is the second biennial. They have divided Odisha into different zones where different industries are coming up. Different industrial parks have been planned and getting executed so that Odisha can be the number one state in India in terms of mineral resources, in terms of food processing, in terms of textiles, which is going to wrap the entire world, and in terms of style statement, ecotourism, and people who are skilled in Odisha are highly in demand, and the world's best skilled authority is going to build the biggest skilled institute here, which is coming up in few months or years. And Odisha is looking ahead, 30 years ahead. Odisha will be a hi-fi state with a very futuristic view. And this is the time where we should celebrate the spirit of Odisha by projecting it globally.
Can you tell me about what is the inauguration sequence would look like and what is the choreography journey of this project?
First of all, when it started, I was thinking that why am I here? Because I'm an Odissi dancer, and the concept they have woven together for Make in Odisha, it's completely futuristic, and how they are looking at Odisha, or how we are looking at Odisha 20 years ahead or 30 years ahead. But then I thought everything in life is a challenge, and why not? That's when Janardhan Rajarsh from Bangalore came and joined hands with me, and I had Babu, who is a modern dance choreographer from Bhubaneswar. He also very gladly accepted my request. And all my team of Odisha Dance Academy, we just thought that we will essay it up with a beautiful, aesthetic visuals. So when it started, we did the script, Jana and I. We sat down, we looked at every segment from a dancer's angle. We could have done that just with the picture or visualization or short movie or things like that, but just we thought that we'll recreate the essence of it through dance and through movement, through music, through voiceover, through background score and animation. and props we are using. And just we thought to give that wow factor, we have used aerial act, where Jana's children, students, and dancers have worked very hard to execute it. And the way we have designed the stage, we conceptualized the stage. It has gone different kind of in the journey. It has gone several changes and modification and alteration like that. But finally, we have decided to give a 3D impact to the whole thing. So we are using LED in a different way. It has been designed to place it in different way. So people, even they are sitting far, they'll be able to get a glimpse of a very different image.
How many dancers are performing?
164 dancers. 20 are from Bangalore, 20 from Babu's group, and rest of them are from Bhubaneswar, where Naivedya, Nritya Naivedya is participating. Bhubaneswar Music College, they are participating, Odisha Dance Academy. So I am hoping that people will see some magical element there. From our side, from the choreographer's side, from the entire ODA team and Cornucopia team, we want to wish all the artists, all the people, government, our best wishes for the grand opening of Make in Odisha. Thank you.
Today is November 8th and we are all excited and we are coming closer to our deadline. Praveen sir has sent his music and I'm entering Smriti studio, and for the final mastering, the voiceovers are ready. The musicality is looking fantastic, and thanks to all the team who have made it happen. Let me go and finish the mastering. Hi Smriti, how is it going?
It's good.
Excellent. So are we ready for the mastering?
Yeah.
Smriti, tell me something about the project.
Okay.
How the musicality,
Yeah.
how Munu composed, Agnimitra composed the whole composition, lot of music sequences.
Yeah.
What are the instruments used?
Actually, there are so many instruments. In rhythm, there is jumbe, darbuka,
Hmm.
pakha was not pakha was that is called in Odissi mardal,
Mardal.
and there is also tabla,
Hmm.
acoustic percussion like hungur,
Hmm.
octapad in electronics,
Yes.
keyboard.
Yes.
We have programmed some part were programmed.
Okay.
Almost flute and sitar.
Yes. So when the music, half of the music is done in your studio.
Yeah.
Around 10 minutes of the production is
Yeah,
done in Bangalore. So
Yeah.
when the musicality came together,
Yeah.
how did you work it out? Because you're the one who was doing the final mastering. What
Yeah.
were the challenges you faced?
Actually, which is recorded here.
Hmm.
Most of the music are Indian.
Okay.
I mean
Indian
tabla
instruments.
Indian with
Instruments.
Indian instruments.
Okay.
Which was recorded at Bangalore, mostly western part.
Yes.
But when it comes together, it's really
Interesting.
interesting.
Oh.
100%.
Very good. Very good. After all the hiccups, lot of hard work to and fro from Bangalore to Bhubaneswar. Inside the Bhubaneswar, we recorded in another studio also, and then with more than 20 musicians playing for this project. At last, we have made it happen. And last time I was in the studio with Praveen sir composing there, Agni Mitra, Smriti, Aruna Didi, and Pramat. All of us, this is the last finale sequence we were composing and the global reckoning. At last we made it happen. The music is ready, sounding excellent, and the dancers are enjoying dancing. And we are ready for this evening, 5 o'clock, first stage rehearsal with 162 dancers.
Angikam bhuvanam yasya vachitam sarvavangmayam aharcha chandra taradi twam namaha satvikam sivam Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Deva Maheswara Guru Shaksha Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Kayena Vacha Manasendriyeva Buddhyatmana va Prakriti Svabhavat Karomi Yatyat Sakalam Parasmai Narayanayeति Samarpayami Om.
And we are going to do Make in Odisha program. We are performing with Jana's group and Babu's group, Odisha Dance Academy, all together performing, and a huge performance. 170 dancers are performing. We are enjoying, all of us. Very nice feeling. Bye.
आमे माने बहुत एक्साइटेड ए बड़ स्टेज रे परफॉर्म करिवा पई आ समस्त रेडी हे कि वेट करी कि केते बजे शो स्टार्ट होबो तो समस्त वेट करू छी जल्दी परफॉर्म करिवु एक्साइटेड भी अछि
gentlemen, it is indeed my proud privilege to welcome Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Sri Yukta Naveen Patnaik ji, to the Make in Odisha Conclave 2018. May I request you to please join me in extending a very warm and hearty welcome to him. Rhythm and song are embedded in the bloodstream of the Odia race. This breathtaking multimedia dance production, ladies and gentlemen, has been given life by our very own Padma Shri Aruna Mahanti, nationally acclaimed choreographer, Shri Janardhan Raj Urs and Mohammad Saiful Haq, Shri Agnimitra Behra and Shri Praveen D. Rao have composed the beautiful music for this piece, and the program titled Unstoppable I Am Odisha is aesthetically captured by the Odisha Dance Academy Bhubaneswar in collaboration with the Cornucopia Creations Bangalore. The other major contributors are Moksha Katak, the Utkal Sangeeta Mahavidyalaya, Devadasi and Nritya Naivedya. Ladies and gentlemen, this production was cast in 3 cities involving 200 artists, 50 technicians, and took 30,000 hours of hard work to bring alive the dreams of Odias through the mission Make in Odisha. Let the magic begin. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request you to give a thundering applause for this beautiful
Bindu, a dot, sacred symbol of the cosmos, which is the source of all creation, expanding itself, enfolding within its limitless vastness, uncountable galaxies and universes, sustaining, evolving, moving forward. promise of progress, plenty, and prosperity. Powerfully pulled by my destiny, the wheels roll, taking Odisha forward on the path of sustained growth and responsible development.
केते सपन रखणी सुनार माटी रे हीरार कहानी माटी तले केते सपन रखणी सुनार माटी रे हीरार कहानी माटी तले केते सपन रखणी सुनार माटी रे हीरार कहानी माटी तले केते सपन रखणी रत्नगर्भा मातु नुआ कलिंगर सफल सपन विपणी नुआ दुनिया रे नुआ कलिंगर सफल सपन विपणी.
Under the red earth of Odisha is abundant mineral wealth, bauxite, chromite, iron ore, manganese, coal. It is all here. From the blue waters of Odisha to the searing pan of a Michelin chef, we harvest the best aquatic food for global cuisine. dreams in yarn. An upcoming textile park will soon make the cloth that will drape the world. Our forests, lakes, rivers, and miles of sandy beaches make us the tourism destination of an entire region.
Traversing the deep oceans, we come, soaring across the skies, we come to this land of care and warmth, to this land of joy and plenty, to this land of care and warmth, to this land of joy and plenty. From thousands of miles away,
pulsating, modern, hot, cool and happening, yet deeply proud of its tradition. Bhubaneswar is India's #1 smart city. Odisha is setting the pace for creating employable skills for millions of youth. Everywhere, people are beginning to ask, are you skilled? Or are you skilled in Odisha?
कदा निकटिता त्रिदिन किटिता कदा निकटिता त्रिदिन किटिता कदा निकटिता त्रिदिन किटिता कदा निकटिता धा दिन तक दिन ता दिन तक दिन 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 धा 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 धागे धा दिन धा धागे धा दिन धा धागे धा दिन धा धा
Odisha's pioneering vision is building a new future for itself to become a beacon of success. The state is strategically poised to be a favored destination for global investment. With abundant natural resources, a world-class skilled workforce and great governance, Odisha is looking ahead at the golden period of its history, opening doors. I am unstoppable. I am Odisha.
I welcome you to Odisha. Come, join the juggernaut.
Pani niso, nisa sa pani ni re, rega ga ga rega ga ga rega rega sa sa pani niso, pani ni re, rega 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 sa pani da ma ga rega rega ma pa da ni da ma ma ga rega.
Ladies and gentlemen, what a breathtaking performance. May I please request you to give a very big hand to them. And may I please invite on stage the brain behind this beautiful presentation, Shri Janardhan Rajurs, Mohammad Saiful Haq, and of course our very own Padma Shri Aruna Mahanti.
What a splendid performance indeed.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, with this we come to the end of the cultural program, but before we finally conclude the program, I would like to request our Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha to kindly release the special industry edition of Samaj newspaper. Ladies and gentlemen, on the momentous occasion of the Make in Odisha Conclave 2018, Samaj newspaper has come out with the special industry edition, which Honorable Chief Minister has just done the Lokarpan. Thank you, Honorable Chief Minister. We thank Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, under whose vision and leadership this significant event has been organized in the state, ladies and gentlemen. We also take this opportunity to thank all our eminent guests for joining us today and making this event a memorable one. We look forward to seeing you over for the next 4 days right here at Janata Maidan. And request all our esteemed guests with the dinner invites to kindly proceed for dinner. And for those moving out of the expo, may I please request you to kindly move in sequence to avoid congestion at the Kalinga gate. Ladies and gentlemen, with this we conclude today's program, and we're going to see you for the next few days at the Make in Odisha Conclave 2018.
At last, we had a brilliant show, and then that too with a standing ovation from Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik. After the show, he himself walked towards the stage and congratulated Aruna Didi and myself and the entire team. This would have not been possible without all my wonderful team, the dancers, the tech, the prop designers, animators, sound designers, everyone. Day and night we have worked very hard for this lovely day, and I'm emotional. Thank you so much to God for this opportunity, and I remember my gurus, my well-wishers, family, friends, everyone. Thank you for supporting. Love you all.
Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've waited for. You've been searching in the dark, your sweat soaking through the floor. And buried in your bones, there's an ache that you can't ignore. Taking your breath, stealing your mind, and all that was real is left behind. Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't care what comes after. Your fever dream, can't you see, getting closer? Just surrender, cause you feel the feeling taking over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's flooding open. It's a picture in the pulpit and your blind devotion. There's something breaking at the brick of every wall, it's holding all that you know. So tell me, do you want to go where it's covered in all the colored lights, where the runaways are running the night? Impossible comes true, it's taking over you. We light it up, we won't come down, and the sun can't stop us now. Watching it come true, it's taking over you. Colossal we come, these renegades in the ring, where the lost get found, every crown of the circus king. Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't care what comes after. It's blinding, outshining anything that you know. Just surrender, cause you're coming and you want to go where it's covered in all the colored lights, where the runaways are running the night.
It's over. Go home.